हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम बैक। अब फ्रेम में आ रहा होगा सब कुछ। कोड, कॉस्ट्यूम, साउंड्स, चेक क्लियर। हाँ, अब है क्लियर। ओह सेट। अब ठीक है। ओ एक्सप्लोरर देखो। एक बार देख लेते सब कुछ सही है। हाँ सही है। अब हम बनाएंगे एक स्टोरी। विच हाउस। हाँ ठीक है, विच हाउस करते हैं पहले। पहले हम बैकड्रॉप चूज करेंगे। बैकड्रॉप हम चूज करेंगे विच हाउस इतना। विच हाउस ठीक है। विच हाउस। अब हम पहले स्प्राइट को हटाते हैं, दूसरी स्प्राइट को लाएंगे। एल्फ हाँ एल्फ ठीक है। एल्फ वी विल चूज एल्फ। Sprite. Elf. Elf and we will choose the witch. Oh no. हाइट एडजस्ट करके देखते हैं एक बार। 50 करेंगे तो कैसा? नहीं, ज्यादा छोटा हो जाएगा। ठीक है। Nice. अब ठीक है। Now we will choose the witch. नहीं, wizard. Sorry, wizard. Everything okay? Still wizard to nice. Wizard. Okay, the wizard. Wizard is not facing elf, so we will make him face elf direction. Just exit. ठीक है। नहीं हो दो अब ठीक है। अब ठीक है। हाँ, now we will make wizard to talk first. So we will go at first we will click on looks. Say hello. Welcome to Magical School. Nice. Now it is hard. Hello, welcome to my first childhood school. I will connect to a charger first. I have changed my location also. Changed. Welcome to Magical School. I have to give space here. I have to give space. Space. क्या है भाई, ये पांडा क्यों आ रहा है, बेयर क्यों आ रहा है ये? Hello, welcome to Magical School. Now Elf will say, oh, the main step I forgot. First, when this flag is clicked, that's up. Now Elf, she will reply. She will reply that, hi, I'm going on a quest for 2 seconds. Hi, I am going on a quest. Nice. Enter. So the background will change to, I think, 1 second. Hi, it will change to mountains. Now we have to change the backdrop to a mountain. Okay. Mountain. Okay. Now we will go to wizard and the flag is clicked. Switch backdrop to mountain or wizard house. Which house? Sorry. We can say both the things, wizard house or witch house. Switch backdrop to witch house. Then we will see this. Hello. I am the request. No. Now we will make some changes here. Now we have clicked on wait 4 seconds. Then we will click on then we will click on looks and switch backdrop to mountain. Now we'll see what has happened. I am going on a quest. What's okay. Now we will go to stage. Oh, that's nice. And then wizard, and then go to events. When backdrop switches to mountain, hide. We will go on looks. Where is it? Where it is? Hide. Now we will take the hide block and slide it. Now we will just test it how it is working. Now, yes. Well, hello, welcome to hi. Quest. Oh, nice! It is working. 1 second. Nice. Now first. So we will add one more block after when the flag is clicked here. Okay. Look, then show. So we will put this block here. Nice. Now, hello, welcome to the process. Array, now. I think we need to wait 3 seconds. Hello. Right, 1 second. Hello. We have to wait 3 seconds for Elf to reply. Elf will wait 3 seconds, then we'll check. Hello, welcome to school. Hi, I'm on the quest. No, 3 seconds is not. 2 seconds. 2. If we will change the timings for wizard for 1 second, so how it will work. I'm just checking. No. Now. Nice. It is working. Now we will add a block in the elf section. I have added 2 more blocks in the elf section that after I'm going on a quest for 2 seconds. Wait 2 seconds and then say I'm on a quest. We will not use N because Q is not a vowel. Not a vowel. Now we will go in the wizards section. After the hide block, we will wait 2 seconds. Oh shit. Wait 2 seconds and then show. Now we will check how it is coded. I think. Wait 4 seconds. Wait 4 seconds. Oh. Now we will check. Now it is. Now the wizard will say that, see, I have told you that it is a magical school. Then they both will say bye bye and our short story. Then it will be ready. Now I have added one block that see, I have told you that it is a magical school. Now we will check the stone.